Thank you for clicking on this video. Perhaps you are watching this on lockdown due to pandemic. Slump extensively going up all over the world. Hope may Allah make everything back to normal as prior. For those who are aspiring with web development and React.js, React Hook is second news for them. Here in this video we are going to make this simple shopping cart where we are going to execute our React hook. Let's see what we are going to make today. Here you see the simple shopping cart where we can make our quantity. For example, make it two. A single price per unit is $30. $13. If we exert our coupon code, that is 123, we will get discount $5 per quantity. It has two quantity, we are getting $10 discount. Okay, on the cart there is nothing showing, but when we click on this add to cart, it is showing two. This is the very simple project we are going to make. So let's start. At first, use the command npx create react app and name of your app. By using that command, you'll get a folder. Installing React.js is very simple. At first you need to install Node.js. After that, go to reactjs.org. From here, in this official website, click on docs, create a new React app. From here and the down below, copy this command npx create react app, name of your app. In the desktop, we are going to make a new folder. From just write shopping dash cart. Make sure all the name start with lowercase. Open your folder. From here, just open terminal and run the command npx create react app and name of your app. My app name is shopping cart and this is a folder. We are already in that folder, so I'm going to give it just dash. That means it will install our React project inside this folder. Okay, once you have installed React.js project, let's go further. cd change directory to shopping cart, that folder we made. Once you are in, kickstart with our project. Just run the command npm start. It's loading. You can see loading. Here in the shopping cart, you see by default it has added few files. So you don't need to understand everything in here. You just need to go app.js. From here, all of the work will do here. And we are going to create a new folder with name of components. Inside this component we'll have that shopping cart. Make it JSX as the extension of your file. JSX, not JS. If you make it JS, that will work totally fine, but extension that will not work properly with your file. That extension I have downloaded. This one is just get rid of this header and just write save it and reload the page once again. You see this is saying shopping. We can write all of the code inside this app.js, but we don't want to make it more complex, so we are going to making a separate file. One more thing I forgot to mention, that I made a blog post for you from where you can download the source code. You can see I have made some planning here. What we are going to make today: increase and decrease quantity of the product, use coupon code and get special discount, price multiplied by quantity is equal total price, discounted total price for user coupon, and add to cart. All of the functionality we are going to make here. And if anything went wrong with your code, you can just copy and paste my code. Okay, and you'll understand what is went wrong. And this is the css code. In this video we are going to not write any CSS code, you must need to copy my code, otherwise you can style it by yourself. Okay, just copy it and create a new file inside component cart.css. In shopping, let's replace the name with cart so it will match with my source code in here. Okay, in here if we just write rcfe and press tab, it will give us boilerplate code, and it will give us function based component. Here we can write our code. For example, cart, just write cart, and we need to import them inside our app.js. So importing is very simple, we are not going to need this logo, so just write import name of our component from components uh, cart. Okay, now in the below shopping we are going to use the cart component. Save it, reload the page once again. You see the cart is showing here. Okay, let's change our title React app to React hook. Okay, go to public index.js, in the place of app just write hook. In here we are going to create a new function where we are going to make menu function. This will be menu and it will return JSX code. Just give a dot menu, it will add the class name. If I press tab, you can see the class name of menu. So menu, inside menu will have few items. Okay, inside item will have ul tag with the class name of item 1, and will have few list item li and a tag in here with multiplied by 4. It's adding 4 a tag, we don't need this 3. Going to copy this list item and paste it below 3 more times. We need to import our CSS code in here, so importing CSS is very easy. Just write import forward slash card.css, that is the CSS file we have. Just write menu, save it, and it's showing us the menu, but it is not designed properly. And here in the A step we need to give a hash, otherwise this link will go somewhere. Okay, copy this item and on and paste it below. Make it item 2 class name, and from the source code in the link description copy this li items and paste it inside item 2. We are not going to write from scratch. Okay, and here in the public folder I made a new folder icon, and in here we have a shopping cart that I downloaded from flaticon website, and we are going to use it in our shopping cart. Okay, here in the cart function we need to write a class name cart. In here we need to paste that menu. Okay, add some break line. Br multiplied by 3, it will add break line. Add the class name of box. Inside box we will have image dot im image, and inside this image we'll have that image tag. This image we can get from anywhere. Just search for psg jar cpng, copy the image link and paste it. Okay, let's add a background image in here from pixhere.com. Here inside public folder I have created a new folder img, and I have added an image bg.jpg, that is the name of our image. Okay, go to card.css. You see nothing is here, so we need to just copy our styling from here. At the bottom we just need to copy styling for all elements. Copy it and paste it inside our card.css, save it. Once again reload the page. Let's see, it's looking perfect. In the card we have set the background image, that is the name of our image. Oh, I made a mistake here. We just need to take this text inside our a tag. Okay, now below this image just write detail. This is the class, and another class title and class. Don't forget this dot at the very beginning. Okay, title will be psg, and description I copied from google, paste it here, view, toggle or drop. So okay, below this detail let's add two more classes. Set, make sure the class name is same as mine, otherwise css will not work in your case. I made a mistake in spelling here. Shift Alt F, it will reformat your code. Let's take it at the below. Reformat properly. Shift Alt F. Okay, at the first button it will increase our quantity, and second button it will decrease our quantity. That is why it is minus. Quantity for now it's 1. We are going to change by using React hook. Let's see how does it look now. Oh, it's looking perfect. You see we have a stylish button to increase our quantity and decrease our quantity. Now below this set quantity, this div will have another div with class name of. Inside this form will have an input. The placeholder will be use coupon code. Placeholder is equal use coupon code. On thing here, we need to take out this coupon code out of our general price. Here it will be general price is $13. Below this coupon we'll have another div with class name of total price, general price, and all of them we are going to set by using React hook, and we are going to also change it by using React hook. Okay, below this price we'll have a div with the class name of add and set bg. Okay, making user interface is done. Now this is the main part. We are going to learn about React hook. We are going to change the quantity. When I click on this plus button, it will add 1 to it, and when I click on this minus button, it will subtract 1 from our current quantity. Okay, and the general price always remains same because price per unit is $13 is always same, but when you use a coupon code, then it will give us a discount of $5 and total price will be changed to $8. At first very top we are going to import our use state function. Because React support destructuring, we are going to use destructuring, okay, to get our function useState. At the cart function above this return, we are going to declare some variable in here. The variable will have, there will be two variable. First one is general price, default general price, and second one will be set general price. This is a function. By using this we can update our general price, and here we need to call our function that is useSoup. By default, let's set a value for our general price, for example $13. Okay, this was our general price. Now if I log out general price, it will give $13. Let's see, save it and reload once again. Right click, inspect element, go to console. From here you can see it should give us the general price, but it's saying something went wrong. This is giving 13, but I made a mistake inside a tag form, the spelling mistake, as I always do. FRM, this should be FRM. Now let's set the quantity const. It will be array, always will be an array, and it will be two variable. First one is quantity and second one is the function set. You can name anything you want. To make it more sensible, I am just naming it quantity and set quantity. Okay, use state quantity. For the very beginning it will be on, we can increase it or decrease it. Okay, now we set our general price and quantity. We can print here where is the general price. We can replace this 13 with this second bracket. Here we can write a JavaScript code. Let's set it here, general price, and here is the quantity. They should be here somewhere. The set quantity, it is here. Replace it with quantity. Quantity. We can see the same thing, but now this time when we change it to, when we change the general price to 13 to 14 and quantity to 2, save it, you see quantity is 2 and general price is also changed here. Okay, now let's time to work with this button, this increment function. Increment function is very simple. Inside this cart function we can make more function, for example like this function increment quantity, and here we'll set our general price or we'll set our quantity, whatever we want we can do here, just like this. Set quantity to quantity plus 1, save it and in the quantity increment plus sign, here we are going to add an event on click. When we click once in plus button, it will increment our quantity. Let's reload and click on plus. It's incrementing, but something is went wrong here. At first we need to create a function with parameter of previous quantity. We want previous quantity at first, and with that previous quantity we want to increment by 1. Okay, let's save it and click on plus once again. It is working perfectly as well. Do the same thing for decrement function. This time it will be decrement, and in the minus sign this button, just copy this and paste it here as well, and change the function name to decrement quantity. We didn't set it to minus. Okay, let's work with our coupon discount. So let's make another useState, copy and paste it below here. Just write coupon, set coupon discount. By default it will be 5. We are going to decrease $5. Here we need to create a function. Function name will be using. Here we will have a parameter e, that is our event. We need to prevent our default event action. Prevent default, it will prevent all of our default action. Now console log our event. Now console log our event value. E dot target dot value on change is equal a function using coupon. Save it and reload the page. When you use any coupon, you can see it is giving us the target value. Let's make a if condition. If the condition will be if e dot target value is equal 1 to 3, that means this is our coupon code. When it match with the user input, then it will do something. Let's log out. When you use 1 to 3, it will show you get the discount. You see, there it is. Now we need to create one more hook. Copy it and paste it below here. Here it will be total price and change it to set total price. We are not going to save 5 as default. We are going to create a variable up here. Here at the top of our total price, here we are going to make a variable. Let default total price is equal general price colon quantity, general price multiplied by quantity. From here we are going to subtract our coupon. Now let's set the general total price. Where is it? Replace it with a JavaScript total price. When someone get the discount, we are going to change the total price. Here at first we are going to set our coupon. Set coupon previous coupon. This is a callback function. This remains same, previous coupon, and set the total price to previous total, callback function, previous total minus coupon multiplied by discount, multiplied by quantity. Okay, total price will be the general price of a product, general price. Now here at the bottom set the total price, make it JavaScript code, total price, shift alt tab, it will reformat your code. Here we need to use the function to change our total price, so just write set total price previous total price, callback function, previous total price minus coupon multiplied by quantity. Now we'll get the discounted total price. Let's use the coupon code 123. We're getting the discount 8. But see, when I adding quantity, the total price is not changing. Okay, inside this increment quantity, what we can do, we just need to change the total price. So copy this line, set total price previous price plus the general price, copy and paste it below inside this decrement quantity. This will be minus. Now every time we change the quantity, a total price also will be changed. You see, it's changing properly. Let's decrease it. Use the coupon 123. You're getting the discount of 10 because quantity is 2. Per quantity will get 5 discount, $5. Okay, that means it's working perfectly. Now we need to work with this add to cart. Copy this total price and paste it below. This time it will be add to cart. Copy this, set add to cart. This is called camel cakes. Now this time it is not the number variable, it will be a boolean variable, and by default it's set to false. When you click on add to cart, it will set as true. Okay, above this return statement we will have a function circle. It will take a parameter quantity, and it will also have a return statement. Inside return statement we'll have a span tag with the class of, make sure the name is same as mine, and it will print the quantity. Save it, and at the very top where we made our menu, we need to declare two variables. There will be two parameters. First one will be add to cart, second one will be quantity. Take this circle outside of this function. Take this circle arrow function outside of this cart function, so we can use it inside our menu. Here write a territory operator, that means a if else statement but in a short form. So just write add to cart is equal true. If it is true, this is a question mark. If it is true, it will do something. It will make a circle and pass the quantity inside the circle. Otherwise, else it will do nothing, null. Okay, that's all. Here at the event listener, we are going to make an event from where we are going to update our add to cart false to true. So let's do that. Inside add to cart, just write on click is equal handle click. We are going to make this function in here. Let's copy this and paste it below here. We don't need those. Handle click, and in below here we are going to set add to cart. So just write set add to cart previous add to cart callback function. Previous add to cart will be true. This will be true when you click on this add to cart. Here inside menu we need to pass two parameters, as we said here, add to cart and quantity. So let's do it. Add to cart is equal add to cart quantity is equal quantity. Save it once again, reload the page. It's working perfectly. Let's add quantity 3, use the coupon code 123. We got the discount. Okay, add to cart, it's saying it's added to the cart 3. You see, that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want to learn more about React and Node.js, you can find some videos about Node.js and React.js along with PHP. And in future further I will upload more videos on React.js, Node.js, Fullstack, PHP and WordPress. So if you want to learn those technology and you want to learn full stack web development, then you can also you make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a video you can get the notifications. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys.